we will do sidewalks and cucarachas. Man starts with left foot, lady with right foot. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Cucarachas. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We dance this figure in closed position and in normal hold. Question is if we can release one hand. Probably, but in book there is described closed hold. Definitely we cannot do something like this, walks with swivels, which is in competitions often mistake. Again, we man start with left foot, lady with right foot. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's do steps 1 to 3 of spiral, then progressive forward walks, and finish to fan position with lady spiral cross. We start with first 3 steps of spiral, and we continue with forward walks. 2 bars forward walks, then lady does spiral cross, and then man leads lady to fan position. Let's do it again. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's do continuous circular hip twist. We will start in a right to right hand hold. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and we finish in fan position. When we dance this figure is important leading. In this case, man leads with a right arm, lady into forward walk and swivels. And we finish in fan position. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now we will do steps 1 to 3 of close hip twist, then swivels, finishing to fan position. 2, 3, 4. Now man will go to right and lady will dance swivels. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. We finish in fan position. Let's look again. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. When lady does the swivel, she should wait till man leads to do the swivel. She turns in last moment. Let's try this together. So lady steps, then she waits for leading, and in last moment she turns. And 2, 3, 4, 1, wait, turn, wait, turn, wait, turn, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.